Hello. Today we will be covering some of the basics regarding Pro+Fil dispensers that you can perform yourself. We will begin with simply swapping out the 3-liter chemical Blue Thunder for another product. For this example, we will be using Sabre, a potent sanitizer. Begin by simply unscrewing the cap and removing the bottle from the cabinet. You need to simply place the replacement bottle in the cabinet and screw the cap back on securely. Please note that the line running away from the bottle may have a Y split, leading to connect to both high flow and low flow selectors, such as it does in this example. Once in place, follow the tube from the Sabre, which as mentioned split to connect to both high flow and low flow. The 4 gallon per minute line on the right and the 1 gallon per minute on the left. Now we will be changing out the colored dilution tip. Begin with disconnecting the clear tube to access the tip. Using needle nose pliers, remove the tip and replace it with the colored tip with the proper dilution rate for the new chemical, which in this case is 1:16. Simply place the new tip in the opening and push it until it snaps into place. Then simply reconnect the clear tube. That was the 1 gallon per minute. Now we will tackle the 4 gallon per minute. Disconnect the tube and remove the tip. In this case, no replacement dilution tip is required as Sabre is already at the proper ratio for high flow. You simply need to reconnect the tube once the tip is removed. Ensure the selector on the high flow side is set to the line for Sabre. Then quickly test the flow to ensure the chemical is dispensing properly. You can use a bucket and let the chemical run briefly. It is recommended that the same be done on the low flow side as well. For this example, we will be filling a small bottle. Select the proper line and run the chemical for a few seconds. Here we can see that both sides are functioning correctly. You can now proceed to clip the faceplate back into place by lining up the bottom into the appropriate slots and hinge it upwards until it clicks into place. We can now proceed to relabel the dispenser to properly indicate the new chemical on both the high flow and the low flow side. Ensure the sticker is aligned with the chemical line leading to the Sabre. Replace the label on the cabinet as well. Now we will proceed to replace the check valve, which you can see here. Simply click on the release button at the top of the dispenser and slide off the faceplate. To begin, we will be removing the tube connected to Sabre from the low flow side in this example. Pull out the line slightly to gain access to the check valve. Then twist while pulling to separate it from the line. Discard the old valve and connect the new one. It is important to remember to connect the gray side to the tube leading to the selector, while the white side connects to the line leading to the chemical. This is important to ensure the valve functions as desired. An improperly installed valve will mean no chemical will be present, only water. Once in place, simply reconnect the tubing. That's the end of the Pro+Fil Basics video. Thank you for watching.